What up guys, Lenny with Lenny's Bike Shop here in Ferndale, Washington. New camera, new year, new me. We're gonna give this bike a bike check. It's the last one that we have. It's 2017. We've already sold a couple of these this year, last year. It's a aluminum frame, hydroform tubing. This bike weighs 31.3 pounds. It's got house brand components like the stem, 35 mil clamping, Diamondback bars, Diamondback grips, lock-ons. It's got Diamondback wheel set, Diamondback platform pedals with removable pins. The wheels on here, you got boost hub up front, boost hub in the rear, 180 rotors on here, front and rear, SRAM brakes, level T's. Did the external routing on the cables, moved these in a little bit closer to the frame this year. Let's go over the suspension. It's got the RockShox RC pike fork on here, 150 mil travel. It is a mid-travel trail bike, so you got 130 mil travel on the rear shock, and this is a RockShox Debonair. Diamondback did their sophisticated linkage system on here, level link. It's got the SRAM X shifter on here, the GX SRAM, derailleur 1x11, 30 tooth up front. It's got 10x42 in the rear on the cassette. They tried to extreme line this bike. You're gonna have to maintain it a couple times a year. You're gonna want to, I'd say do it, 2 or 3 times a year, especially if you're riding the Pacific Northwest and you're washing your bike thoroughly. It's gonna be well spent on doing that. Schwalbe tires, 27.5, 2.3s on here, front and rear. You can go tubeless if you want on this bike. They give you everything in a little kit that you can set it up to do tubeless. It's got the KS lead dropper post on here. Race face cranks, 175 mil effects on here. Yeah, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button.